Welcome to the last day of our free laser design marathon. Today, I'm creating Gingerbread Ornament as a free product. You can download it from the description below. You will also receive 75% off on Etsy when you use the promo code YouTube SALE75 for a limited time. The sale will last for 1 month. Enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download this laser design for free and many more through the link in the description. Additionally, you can find more Christmas designs on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube SALE75. This promotion will last 1 month. Thank you for being with us this month. See you next week.